Palm Sunday is coming up, and it's a chance to turn palm branches into crosses. If you stop by and get one of these palm branches, you can fold it into a cross like this. Let me show you how. I usually start off with about a hand length, and then I fold that top towards me. If you have a shorter palm, it might be a little bit shorter, okay? And then fold it like that. Now we're going to start making the sides of the cross, okay? So fold it to the side so that there's an angle here. Continue around the back so that it kind of starts to look like it's a cross. All right, now this is where people sometimes get a little bit lost. What do I do? So this is going to be the back. This will be the front, but don't worry about that quite yet. You're going to just kind of slightly twist it up in that top right corner. You're going to bring it across what is the back now. It's going to be the front. You're going to bring it across to the other corner, to the bottom left corner. Okay, you can crease it and then swing around the bottom, and you're going to make another from the lower right to the top left corner. Okay, and when you turn it around, this is the new front. You can kind of see the X there. Now, what do you do to finish it? Just take this, whatever's left, and loop it underneath that part. There. Just pull it down, and there you go. And you can use these as a blessing to someone else. You can put it on your door, or maybe on someone else's door. Put them by the mailboxes as an encouragement. Hope you have a happy and blessed Palm Sunday and Holy Week.